I also have problems with top hippie nature fitted forest flowers mask shirt custom words as you mentioned. I get. Top hippie nature fitted forest flowers mask shirt. Tank top. V-neck. Sweatshirt and hoodie. I've read a few posts about top hippie nature fitted forest flowers mask shirt people wanting Immortal Journeys Camille skin. And I agree. The theme fits Camille so well. Who knows? Maybe once Camille busts out with even bigger popularity, we'll see our dream skins coming sooner and faster than ever before. One question I would kindly like to ask everyone is there a way I could contact Riot about this? Via League's subreddit itself? Or is it possible via support tickets? Or do I have to hope for Riot August to peek into Camille's subreddit? Thank you in advance. I was actually gonna run down a tear because you are right. When you think too deep into your thoughts, creating a dream for something you had hoped for so long, only to be disappointed in the end most of the time.